G'day guys, it's Johnny here from Sydney Retro MTB. Just got a new project on the go. This is a Liyang 550, so I'm led to believe. I couldn't really find much on the internet about it, but it looks like it's like an aluminium tie composite frame with Ritchie tubing, what they've used, which is pretty cool. Got the Pace RC35 forks on there. They're totally rock solid. Need to strip them down, see what's going on inside. Elastomer's most probably corroded and perished. Yeah, so there's a fair bit of work to be done, but I'll just come through a couple of parts for you. So it's got a few Trick M900 XTR parts on, and they need some work done to it as well. But yeah, we've got the M901 front mech. It's got some rust on there, but we can sort that out. M900 170mm XTR cranks, again just need a bit of a sanding down, but should be able to sort it out. And then the M900 XTR mech, a few little battle scars on it, but I should be able to sand them out. Not sure what the cassette is, not sure what the hubs are, and also I'm not sure what the wheels are. There is no decals on them whatsoever, but they are in pretty good condition. They're running true, they're nice and straight. And like I say, the legendary UK brand Pace RC35s. Pretty cool little grease port there at the back. Got some Diacomp brakes, which are controlled by the M900 XTR lever shifter combos, which are in amazing condition, which is awesome. Got the Syncross hammer stem. The Italian headset on there. As you can see, the previous owner, I don't really know what he's done with this. He's took some kind of like lacquer off, so it's got a very small ding on the top tube, but nothing too drastic. Got the Ritchie Prestige logo there, and then the Liyang craftsmanship sticker. Got a Ritchie seat post. We've got a Celitalia saddle, a bit more modern. And we've got some random pedals here. Then just on the Diacomps at the back, the 987 Diacomps, we've actually got an Avid triangle on there, which is quite nice. Yeah, overall it's in pretty good condition. Just don't really know what to do with it at the moment, where the project's got to go. Guess initially it's just going to be cleaned up, and we'll see where we go from there. I've got this one helping me today, and yeah, it's all good. And then the other one, Evie, here. She's doing her own thing. She normally helps. Alright guys, appreciate your time. We'll see where we go with this. Oh, now you're here. Hey? Now you're here. Alright, signing off. Bye.